Hey everyone! Welcome to today's cooking adventure. Today we'll show you how to make Tawa Naan, or Tandoori style bread, using a simple grill pan at home. We'll use some common ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. And don't worry, you don't need a tandoor for this, just a grill pan will do the trick. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of warm water, 1 egg, 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Start pouring the water into a mixing bowl. I am using an electric dough mixer. Then add the egg, followed by yeast, baking powder, salt, sugar, oil, and milk. Start mixing or whisk all the ingredients together until they are well combined. Next, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, also known as maida. Mix everything until the dough starts to come together. Once it starts coming together, switch to your hands and knead the dough if you are not using an electric mixer. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes, and you want the dough to be soft and elastic, but not too sticky. If it feels a little sticky, you can sprinkle a little flour. If it feels too dry, add more water, just a tablespoon at a time. Kneading is the key to getting that perfect naan texture, so don't rush it. Once the dough is smooth and elastic, form it into a ball, then transfer it into a twist tie bag. If you are not using a plastic bag, let me know what methods do you use to rise your dough. Write it down in the comments section. Now let the dough rise for about 30 minutes or until it has doubled in size. While the dough rises, you'll notice it will get nice and puffy, and that's exactly what we want. You can use this time to prepare your grill pan. After 30 minutes, your dough should look soft and fluffy. Now, it's time to punch it down gently to release any air. Take small portions of the dough, about the size of a golf ball. You can make around 8 small or 4 big naans. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my future cooking recipes. If you have already subscribed, thank you for supporting the channel. Now, cover the dough balls, let it rest for 5 minutes. Next, heat your grill pan over medium-high heat. You want it to be hot, almost smoking. After 5 minutes, start rolling out the dough balls one by one to your desired thickness. Make sure to wet the side of the rollout dough that is facing the pan. Place your rolled out dough ball one by one as onto the hot grill pan. You'll immediately start to see bubbles forming on top of the dough, and that's a good sign. Let it cook for about 40 seconds, or until the bottom sticks well, because we are about to flip the pan over. This step is crucial. If you don't flip the pan right on time, the dough could fall off the pan. Flip the pan and cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. You should see a few darker char marks, which is what gives naan its signature tandoori flavor and texture. Now you can flip back the pan so that the bottom of the naan gets cooked well. Once your naan is cooked to perfection, remove it from the pan and place it on a plate. Look at that beautiful soft naan with those amazing grill marks, soft and fluffy on the inside, slightly crispy on the outside. It's the perfect bread to accompany any curry or dip. So there you have it, homemade Tawa Naan made right on your grill pan. No tandoor required. I hope you give this recipe a try, because it's so easy and the results are absolutely worth it. Please leave a comment and let me know how did yours turned out once you tried this recipe. Thank you for watching.